guys, Funky Tom here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be finding the longest route. I'm going to be doing that today. So let's go to the job market, the freight market, and let's find the longest job. Right, that's for Aldi again. What's the longest one? Let's go. Normally the longest ones are right at the end, so I'm going to have a look there and see what we got. Right, how many miles is that? That is actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to do route length, see what's on here. Right, how long is this? How many miles? Expected. So that ain't gonna be that long. That's a bit more sort of like it, but let's see. So again, so what? So let's put right. Set that. Let's abandon that. Hey guys, it's Funky Tom here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a job, and I'm going to find the longest one possible, and say right, don't want that. What have we else we got? No. Hope everyone's staying safe inside and not staying safe and during this lockdown. I was getting bored, so I created this YouTube channel. If any of you guys like it, just gives it a thumbs up. That would be great for me. I want to see how far I can take this. And going to be playing a few simulator games. Right, there we go. Let's go with this one. Let it all load in. So, as you can see, driving a Scania. Is an old version, as you can see. Get the old revs up. Make sure the brakes on. There we go. Here we go. We're off. Let's have a look. Right. So I've got to go pick up there and just drive around the corner, get onto a boat and go over, and the journey will be beginning. So make sure we check both ways. It's all clear. As you can tell, I'm doing it by keyboard and mouse, which isn't the best thing to play this game with, but I shall be getting a racing wheel set up very soon. I'm going well over the speed limit here. Oh, brake, 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 brake. Oh, see what I mean? It's quite hard with all of this. I've got to, come on, speed up. What are you stopping for? Why not indicate? Why didn't you indicate? That would have been lovely if you indicated there, but you did not. Thank you very much for that. Right, in here I have to go, and I already see a trailer, so that's the one that I want. I shall be taking that, and I'll be going up to the Netherlands. So it weren't any of them, it was this one over here. Great. Right. Let's get our reversing camera on. Oh. Let's line this up perfect. Right, it's on. Let's get out of here and get going. I know what most of you are going to say is, you're going to say, oh, you should have put your hazards on. But I didn't that one, but next time I will. Indicate, check, make sure nothing's coming. You're going to let me go? Please let me go. Yes, we can go. Right, round this bend here. Just check on that trailer, make sure it's alright. There we go. See, I like it on this game is when all the lights you go through are green, because that means you don't have to keep on stop starting. It's nice. But as soon as we get onto the motorway, well, once we get onto the bank, that is, and then onto the motorway. But I've got to remember it's the opposite side, so around this. Oh, yeah, that trailer scraped. The trailer scraped. Yep, we're off to a good start. I've already scraped the trailer. Our guy's getting tired, so Should only take 6 hours and 13 minutes to get there. This isn't real time, it's just in the game. Imagine that if we had to do it for 6 hours. Just sat here playing Euro Truck Simulator for 6 hours. Something's... There we go. It's managed to match the revs and change the gear. Right. Checking the mirrors. Indicate. It's always better to indicate early than late. Stop. Let's check that. And around we go. Making sure that trailer don't scrape again. Right. Let's get onto the ferry. And we'll go on a little adventure. Oh, that was really close. Right, which side we got going? Right hand side. Left hand side looks a little bit too full, but that's okay. Just come to a nice slow stop. Put that into neutral. Turn the engine off. There we go. Let's get this engine started. And off we go. Got to try and remember it's on the opposite side. I've done it so many times playing this game. I've been playing this game for ages. I've had all... Right. Oh, lorry's struggling. Let's check. That wing mirror's in the way, so I can see what's coming that way, but I can't see anything that way. Quick, go, 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 go. Right, checking the left mirror, making sure nothing hits. That was a well good turn out of there, quite proud of that. And I do say so myself. The braking distance isn't that good with keyboard and mouse, because you want to try and apply as best pressure as you can, but you just can't. It just doesn't work at all. round the roundabout we go. Indicate to pull off. Start to drift then. Drifting over the other lane. Just trying to keep it straight as possible, but it's quite hard because you got to keep on tapping it. But if I see, there we go, hit the side. That's great. Put in cruise control. I just remembered that this side where I'm driving now is the slow lane, which lorries should be in. Coming up to roundabout. Thank you. I was riding the curb a little bit then. That's okay. I'm trying to do this as best as I can with a keyboard and mouse, but at the moment I'm struggling a little bit. Right, need to be left hand lane to get ready to go up this bit here. Pardon me. So thank you. Give him a little flash. No, didn't want any radio playing. Check the left mirror. Let's try and turn the radio off. That's what I'm going to do. Press R and turn it off completely. So yeah, in this game it's quite good because you can play live radio, so that's pretty cool. So when you're driving along you can just chill out, listen to the radio while driving. Just got a gap in this lane. Oh, I've just cut that corner really wide. but I will be putting videos up after this one. I'm thinking of doing YouTube videos maybe twice a week, so maybe I might do it Tuesday and Saturdays, and it won't be just Euro Truck Simulator. It'll be all different sort of games that I enjoy playing. So it's not gonna be just simulators, and then also like I enjoy playing all different sort of games. So I enjoy playing sort of like CS:GO. I haven't played CS:GO in ages, and I've only just reset up my PC, so it should be alright. I'll be a bit rusty. I haven't played in a little while, I must say. So yeah, once I get, so I've got CS:GO set up, I've got all different sort of games. Like maybe I might, because where I started on a Saturday today, I'm gonna probably upload 2 videos today. So I'm gonna finish up this one, and you should keep an eye out for second video coming later on today. I don't know exactly when I'm gonna upload it, but it is gonna be by today. Right, we've got 3 hours to try and get there. I need to slow down and keep to the speed limit. Let's have a look how far we've got to go. So just got to follow this one. So it's not that far, it's just sort of straight roads. That's the only thing that gets you tired and sort of bored, is when you've got like roads like this where it's very open, and yeah, you sort of lose yourself when you're on open roads like this. You sort of not paying as much attention as you should, which is a shame. Oh no, somehow I've got a engine malfunction, which I don't know how that's happened. That's also what I love about this game, is the lights. Like when you have a look by the steering wheel on the right hand side, there's a little knob that you twist to turn the lights on, and when you press the light button it turns. So it's quite cool to see that. When I first played this game, I was very sort of surprised about how much detail has gone into it. Is by when you're in the cab and you see all the detail up close, it is like driving an actual lorry, which is brilliant, because that's it. Like that's why I wanted to download it, is because that's what I would love to do. I would love to be a lorry driver, but it's so expensive to get all the license and stuff. But with this, I've got a UK standard driving license, so to be able to drive a lorry, this is the next best thing to it. And it has always been a dream of mine to be able to drive lorries and be on the open road. If you've got any more video suggestions, any games that you want me to play, just let me know and I'll get it. Yeah, just give me any game you'd like me to play and I will see. And if you give me any suggestions, any games at all, the most weirdest games, the better, because it'll be all fun and we can all have a laugh together, and hopefully you guys enjoy all of this. And yeah, so if you do enjoy this, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell notification, and it'll help me out quite a bit. I'm just surprised I haven't been caught by a speed camera yet, because they always get me, speed cameras. Right, let's start braking here and we should come to a nice stop at the end, and that has worked. So brake a lot more earlier than you actually think you need to brake, because then you will slow down eventually and you'll stop at the perfect distance. But if you play this game, let me know in the comments if you do play this game, because I want to find out how many of you play this game, because you know what I am talking about when I say about how when you touch the brake it's very violent, it just instantly locks on the brakes. That's why I want to get a steering wheel set up, and I can just be able to decide how hard I want to press the brakes and stuff like that, and it will help out a lot more better. If this video gets over 100 likes, I will play this game for 24 hours. So I will start at 12 o'clock midday, and I'll finish the next day at 12 o'clock midday, and that'll be full 24 hours. And I'll live stream it so you guys can watch it, and I'll also put it on to YouTube as well. But I've heard, like, if you play this game across multiple screens, so if you've got a 3-screen setup, it's amazing. Apparently it looks brilliant. But I've spoken to a friend of mine who is lucky enough to have a Oculus Rift set up. He says on Oculus Rift it is so good. So that's what I'd like to experience one day, is the Oculus Rift in this game, because I think it'd be brilliant. I think it would be brilliant to do that. And the lorry's struggling again. So So I'm guessing this lorry's not really, like, this lorry's not the best. It's a cheap start off lorry, but I will be getting more. Hopefully I'll be able to afford a much better lorry that won't struggle with hills, won't struggle with anything you throw at it. It'll just do what it's asked, and it'll be brilliant. Got a bus coming on the inside. Hello bus. Well, the outside. Round the outside, round the outside. A coach comes round the outside, round the outside. Right, so what, in just under an hour we will be there. But I don't want to, since we're so close, I want to make sure I can get there on time, get a good score of being on time, and I'm gonna challenge myself today on by parking the lorry myself and see how I do, because I think I would do amazing. That's what I think. So my guys turned to red in the bed, so I think that maybe, I think I'd be able to do it. Put in the comments whether you think I'll be able to make it to the destination before I fall asleep. Because he does keep on yawning, as you can all hear. So this is going to be a nice challenge. Maybe I could start doing challenges on games and stuff. So like the longest, how long can you drive until your guy falls asleep? And I think that would be a good little challenge. Since he was already tired when started, I should probably went to sleep before, but I didn't actually think it would be yawning this much. Right, as you can see by the mini map, we are almost there. In 15 minutes. Will I make it, will I not? Put it in the comments and we will see. Right, so the warning has come up. So, but 7 minutes, we will make it. I think we will. Rotterdam is discovered. I knew it was gonna be too good to be true. With all the speed cameras. Thought maybe I can make this whole journey without getting a speeding ticket, but I ended up getting a speeding ticket. I should have probably looked at that junction before just going. Oh, that was just about right. Let's go to, I've gone past the speed lights. Well, speed lights, traffic lights I mean. Camera, and here we go. Just keep an eye on that wing mirror, make sure the trailer's doing fine. Right, and we're here. Right. Let's give this a go. Put all the lights on. Why are the people just stood there? Where do I park it? Let's have a look on the map. No, it's not going to say it on the map. I've messed this up massively. Right. Sorry guys. Right, excellent. That's good. There we go. Right, so that is Euro Truck Simulator 2, I do believe. So yeah, I never knew there was a screenshot manager that you can use, but never realised that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a like with the good old thumbs up, slap that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I'll be back with another video.